Managers can import a list of assets from CSV or Excel file with FacilityBot. To use this feature, log into FacilityBot Manager portal, navigate to Features, then Assets. Click on the three vertical dots menu located on the upper right and click on Import CSV. Managers can download the Asset Import CSV template as a guide when populating the CSV file. Let's try populating the asset fields by entering the appropriate information. Note that only the asset type field is compulsory. All other asset fields are optional. Once populated, upload the CSV or Excel file to import the asset by clicking on the Upload button. Once the file is uploaded, the system generates a unique Asset ID QR code that is linked to that specific asset. Admins or managers can also add custom asset fields. Ideally, these custom asset fields should be added before importing the CSV or Excel file, as the CSV template changes when custom asset fields are added. To create a custom asset field, click on the three vertical buttons, then Manage Asset Field. Here you can configure additional asset fields. Click on Plus Asset Field to add another field to the list on the left. Edit the name of the field using the pen icon or delete a field by clicking on the bin icon. Once done, click on Save to save the changes. The Asset Import CSV template will automatically change to include the newly created custom asset field.